Welcome to the many islands of Bermuda, where I'm cooking a feast with my good buddy from Minnesota, Gavin Kaysen. So I'm gonna add the raisins, but also just a little bit of the rum.
Maybe a little more.
I love you. Gavin visits Tom Watson of Watson's Farms.
We got potatoes.
This is what they call a magic molly.
So how long will you let these sit here before you'll send them out?
32 seconds.
We'll have cocktails on the beach because, you know, Bermuda.
Salud, welcome to Bermuda.
Our superhero's gonna go catch us dinner. She's got it.
And you've heard about fishermen's bragging?
17.4 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah, no big deal.
This is hogfish a la Taylor.
This is so amazing. This is by far the coolest thing that has ever been done with my catch.
Bon appetit.
It's surf and turf as only Bermuda could serve it. Next on a Moveable Feast with Fine Cooking Magazine.